So seem to be keeping a little theme going this week with Tennessee.
Maybe. These are two Tennessee favorites. The first one is the Belle Meade Bourbon that was being produced by Nelson Greenbrier. This one is the Reserve Bourbon, coming in at 108.3 proof. This is the Nelson Brothers Sherry Cask, and this is coming in at 100 proof, which this is a blend of straight bourbon whiskey finished in Oloroso sherry casks. Now, Nelson Brothers produces the bourbon like this, but it's no longer called Belle Meade. This one that they put out, it's under the Nelson Brothers name. The Belle Meade has been discontinued, is my understanding. But there is a push to get them to bring it back, which, if it was like this, it wouldn't break my heart, because this is a pour that we both enjoy. But to give credit where it's due, Nelson Brothers make some pretty good stuff as well.
Are these all fresh cracks?
These are both fresh cracks.
Did you record it?
No.
We'll catch it next time.
Yeah.
Got to take care of our bourbon legends.
Yeah, shout out to the bourbon legends.
We're trying to remember to record fresh cracks.
Yeah, my bad, guys. I apologize, but don't worry. I got you. All right. So.
Oh, is that a glass?
No, that was my ring.
Oh.
All right. So the pour to your right is going to be the sherry cask, and this one is the Belle Meade. All right. So let's start with the sherry cask, since that's Nelson Brothers and it's one that they put out pretty regularly, and it is more readily available than the Belle Meades now.
Ah.
First off, the color's really nice. It's got kind of a reddish hue that I attribute to that Oloroso sherry finish. For 100 proof, it's got some good viscosity. It's holding to the glass, starting to form some legs.
It is not ethanol forward at all.
Oh, no.
What's the proof on it again?
This one's 100 proof.
Okay, so it's an easy sipper.
Very fruity, red fruit, light caramel.
I'm getting like fruit cocktail on this one.
Yeah, and some cinnamon.
Mm-hmm.
Vanilla for sure. This is lovely. On a fresh crack being like that, you would assume it'd be kind of ethanol forward, but it's not at all.
Well, when it's 100 proof, it's...
But almost any bottle that's a fresh crack, you kind of expect a little ethanol forwardness. And if you guys hear the sirens on the ambulance driving down the highway past this, I apologize.
Seems to be a weekend occurrence every weekend.
Yeah. But oh man, this is nice. I'm going in. Yeah. Cheers to you too. That's like a fruit cobbler, more so than fruit cocktail on the palate. Cinnamon, brown sugar, red fruits, vanilla.
Kind of like a cherry cobbler.
Yeah. That's delicious.
And there's like this vanilla note in the back to where if you had a cherry cobbler with a scoop of ice cream on it.
Vanilla ice cream. Yeah.
Like backyard burger.
Yeah. But just from that sip, the legs, I mean, on 100 proof, it's actually pretty nice. I'm impressed by that. Good work to Nelson Brothers on this. If you guys happen to be in the area, in the Nashville area, make sure to take a run by Nelson Greenbrier Distillery out there. They just finished building on. They have a restaurant, a tasting bar, and everything, and go take a tour. Plus, they're on the Tennessee Whiskey Trail, so you can get your stamp and your poker chip.
This flavor note right here makes me want the blackened burger from Backyard Burger.
Yeah.
I think the spices that they put on the hamburger itself would complement this so well.
Yeah, and sticking with the blackened theme, I could see a blackened fish dish with this. A good hearty hamburger would be great with it. Cigar pairing on this one. I would be inclined to do something sweet.
This is me on this one.
The Oliva?
The Oliva.
Yeah, I do like...
It's a little heartier than... It's not sweet. You get the notes of what the aftertaste is from like a cherry cobbler. So, but it's not on that sweet note. It's just...
And on that, it's almost like the crust, a buttery crust.
Yes.
I'm getting that note too on that sip.
That's why it comes across that, but it's not on that sweet side. It's if you remove sugar from it. If you did the sugar-free version, that would be more like it.
Yeah, it's sweet but savory at the same time. But it's like naturally sweet.
Yeah.
I like that. Yeah, good job. All right. Now, the one that is no longer being made, but maybe coming back. Who knows? We'll see what Nelson Brothers decides to do. But this one is the Belle Meade Bourbon, 108 proof.
Oh, on the nose.
Oh, totally different animal.
That's mountain. There's no ethanol on that.
No, there's not.
And it is sweet on the nose. This one's dessert nose.
This one is like dark brown sugar.
I'm getting honey.
I could see that.
Kind of like
cherry. I'm getting like mega cherry on this one. Like the black cherry.
To me, on the nose, it's like a sopapilla.
But not with the cherry note though. But I mean, I'm getting where you're getting that honey. But man, yeah, this right here, the cherry note on it, it's like, those when we were in Louisiana, the Hubig's pies, the fried cherry pies. Yeah. That's the cherry note I'm getting in here. I'm not getting
cherry on this one.
Here, switch.
I got it on the sherry cast, but
hold on. See, smell mine. Go lower in the glass.
I'm getting more just
because it's there.
Like my sopapillas, when I put a little cinnamon sugar and then drizzle a little honey on it.
Yeah, but if you go low on the glass, you get that cherry.
More slight plum.
I'm getting dark cherry. I'm going in. This
muted on me.
You gotta be kidding me. That does not drink 108. That drinks as light as the 100 proof sherry cask.
I'm getting honey on the palate too.
But everything I said on the nose is coming through, but bolder. I'm definitely getting the cherry. I'm getting that honey. I'm getting the brown sugar. I'm getting vanilla. Oh man, this is more so dessert in a glass.
I'm getting a sopapilla on this one. I mean, the nose is bringing it to me it's on the honey forward on it. That there's a little cinnamon. There's that. It's a crisp flavor. It's sharp. It's crisp. It's clean. It's that sweet honey. Yeah, to me, that's a sopapilla in a glass.
That is so good.
And if that's the case, give me Mexican all day long.
Some street tacos with the street corn.
I could see that.
And have the sopapillas for dessert.
For me, with this one,
maybe some barbacoa taco. No.
What this is making me want?
Oh,
cheese enchiladas with a verde sauce.
The green sauce enchiladas are my favorite.
Yeah,
but I could also see a carne asada with this. With that rich gravy and everything.
But I kind of make that a little bold. So I don't know. This could stand up to bold. It's got a sharpness to it that it's just so clean.
Yeah. I mean, I could see a good Macanudo cigar with this, or a Drew Estates Leather Rose would be really good with this one.
Oh, for me? Oh. Bella Vanilla.
Yeah, that would go very well with this. And that accent those, that would actually go with either pour.
Yeah, because I don't have anything that's honey on a cigar, but a vanilla and honey go very well together.
Yeah. Comment down below, have you guys tried any of these yet? And if so, what did you get on it? And see, give us a chance to kind of compare notes on this, because these are fantastic. And if you're in Tennessee, you're in luck, because you can usually find the Belle Meade bourbon. It's not overly difficult to locate. Nelson Brothers is everywhere. The Sherry Cask is. They got multiple different finishes. Now, their honey finished one is to die for, and it is so hard to get your hands on.
This Sherry Cask is really good, easy sipper. But I think I like that Belle Meade just a little bit better.
I agree.
It's a little sharper,
and
it's
not so much the proof point, because they drink about the same proof point, but to me, it's the flavor profile.
Yeah, the flavor profile.
Yeah.
I'm getting hungry. I need food now.
She's getting hangry now. So I think we're probably about ready to wrap this up. And ladies and gentlemen, in case you hadn't noticed, we're doing lives on Tuesdays now. And we invite you all to come. It'll be at 7:30 p.m. Central, 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. Come, have some pours with us, interact with us, and just hang out and have a good time.
Yes, as we will. We do plan to have the chat feature going, so
absolutely.
Y'all get in there and chat, ask us questions, Q&A. We're all about it.
Yeah.
We want to
bring it. And check out the new shirts with the logos. Yeah. All right. Well, I think that's going to do it for us today.
Absolutely. We just have this one life to live.
So make it about family, good friends, and great whiskey.
Till next time, our friends.
Cheers.
Cheers. This is good.
I know it is.
Oh my gosh.
Here, tell you what. I'm going to be generous. And then I'll take your reject.
Which one did you like best? The sherry?
I like them both.
Yeah, I do like them both.
But I mean, if we're comparing and contrasting, of course.
Belle Meade is really good.
And I'm telling you now, don't kill this bottle, because it's hard to come by. And they're not making it anymore.
Surface.